Right, so project management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling the resources needed to complete a project. It involves defining the project's objectives, creating a plan to achieve them, and managing the execution of the plan to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required level of quality. The structure of project management refers to the organizational framework and processes used to and identify how to plan, execute, and control the projects. Project management is a complex field that involves coordinating and managing various resources, including people, materials, and equipment to achieve specific project objectives. In the sixth edition of PMBOK, the focus used to be on achieving the deliverables of the project. Now, with the recent edition of PMBOK 7, the focus is achieving the outcomes of the project instead of deliverables in terms of product, service, or result. For exam, you need to remember the changed approach of the 6th and 7th edition, as you might get a question with options from both the editions. In such case, the recent most definition to define the structure of project management will have to be selected. Now, the structure of project management typically involves several key elements, including the project manager, the project team, the project sponsor, and the stakeholders. Overall, the structure of project management is designed to help organizations plan, execute, and control projects in an efficient and effective manner. By following a structured approach to project management, organizations can increase their chances of success and improve their overall project management capabilities. See you in the next lecture.